Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to draw a callout box in Affinity. So let me go ahead and create a new design right here, and you will see step by step how to do this. Now, once you're inside Affinity, look towards the left hand side and you'll find the rectangular tool. You click on that and you have many options. If you look down in the list, you can see that there's a callout rounded rectangular tool and also the callout ellipse tool. So whichever one you want to use, let's choose for example this one. You can click on it and you can draw it. Now as I draw this, I'm going to click on the second one as well and draw this, and so you can see. So if you want to use any one of these, you can easily add them to your design. Now I'm going to go ahead and click on the select tool right here, which is a move tool, and it's going to allow me to select these without any problem. And now once I select them, I can go ahead and let's say move them around or change the design or the style a bit to my liking, right? So what you want to do now is go ahead and click on it. And if you want to change the color, you can basically see the right hand side. You can click on color and you can change, for example, the background here or the inner part. As you can see, you can click on it. For example, this is it, and you can easily go ahead and change that. So that's how you can easily change it. So for example, this is what I want to put it in this color. I can go ahead and do that, right? And you can always change the color to whatever you want, as you can see, right? So that's how you can easily go ahead and change that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can change the outline of this. So you can click on this one, for example, and then click and stroke, then click on, for example, this option here where you have the line, and it's the solid line style, and then from here you can adjust the width, and as you can see, it's adjusting. You can make it large or small or whatever it is, just to kind of make your design or make it a bit more visible to whatever you want. And that's pretty much it. Now if you want to write something inside of it, then you need to go ahead and use the text tool, right? So you'll have to click on, for example, the artistic tool and go ahead and choose whatever you want, and then you can start typing whatever it is that you want to write within it. So I'm gonna just simple type in haha, for example, and as you can see, I've added that. So you do the same thing here and just start basically start typing whatever you want and basically adjust that within it. So that's how you can easily go ahead, guys, and create the call out and basically, use it. That's it. Very easy and very simple.